So I spoke about rats and how studies in rats, which is a very basic scientific kind of study, tell us about humans. Now, obviously, rats and humans are not the same. They're very different. But their brains are very much constructed the same way for sex. So what rats do in a rat way, humans do in a human way. And understanding how the brain chemistry, how the brain's genetic systems are basically taking what you do when you have sex and producing expectancies of what you will do the next time you have sex becomes an important area of study. Now, why is that important for people? Because in rats, I can control the beginning and the end. I can control what they do. I can control the amount of experience they have. I can control the type of experience they have. Humans, it's much more haphazard. Some people have great experiences early. Some people have terrible experiences early. And the impact of those terrible and great experiences then produce expectancies in the future of who they are sexually. And if you think about it, having terrible experiences and thinking that that's what sex is becomes then a way of understanding how lack of desire might occur. It may not be necessarily a bad brain chemistry that makes you have a lack of desire or an inability to have an orgasm or even premature ejaculation. It may in fact be an expectancy that you got to be done quickly, that you're going to be caught, that bad things will happen, or that sex, I do it, I get something else for it rather than just pleasure. So understanding how this basically works in a rat gives us the ability to make predictions about what will happen in people. And I think that's really important because there's so much human sexual behavior that we cannot study and cannot understand by direct observation. And we're left having to be able to understand human sexual function through questionnaires and through questions that we pose. People may say the truth, people may lie, people may not remember the older they get. So understanding sexual behavior at the level of an animal model then tells us greatly about human sexual behavior and allows us to add in culture and interpersonal differences and perhaps even the way that treating a sexual dysfunction feeds back very importantly and positively on a person's quality of life.